All right, the best all-in-one app suite to manage a business just got even better. Odoo 14 brings you a whole load of new and improved features for the apps you know and love. Here is a selection of my favorite ones. Let's make a website with our new website builder, shall we? We'll use this theme. This picture from the free library is perfect. Let's compress it for better image optimization. Now it's perfect. Purple for this theme fits nicely. Let's keep going. Look at that. The illustrations recolor themselves according to your theme colors. And the shapes bring your website's design to life in just one click. It's cool, right? Yeah, I like that too. Now, about our events. We can now create online events. Attendees can make a selection of talks they'd like to add to their list of favorites. And they can also interact with other attendees in meeting rooms. But it's time to get to work. To start recording my current activity, we press the corresponding hotkey. Or we can create a new one if needed. Being paperless isn't the future, it is the present. With documents, you take it to another level. Here we have a single PDF containing all our last vendor bills. We mail it to our database. To split the bills, we use the PDF cutter. These pages stay together, and I do not need these two. Let's send them to our accounting. The journal entry is already pre-filled thanks to Odoo's AI-powered invoice recognition system. This incredible OCR technology also works with expenses. Here's a business meal receipt. Odoo even recognizes the category of the expense. Ah, I love this part. Let's say we want to put this report in a spreadsheet. What should we do? Import? Export? Nope. We now have a powerful spreadsheet app integrated to Odoo. Don't even need to start from scratch. We can select the appropriate spreadsheet template and let the magic happen. Speaking of magic, we have to clean up the opportunities in the CRM. And voila, no more duplicates. I think you'll be pleased to know that CRM now handles opportunities with recurring revenues. Many of us work with Outlook. We've got good news. Odoo for Outlook gives the best of both worlds and bridges your mailbox with your Odoo database. And the calendars? Well, they are synchronized too. Scheduling appraisals is now easier than ever. And requesting peer feedback is a child's play. This leads us to rediscover surveys. With a live session, you get your attendees' answers in real time. Nice! Coffee wins this round. With this extra shot of coffee, let's check how the table's production is going on. Oh no, we don't have enough components to fulfill this manufacturing order in time. Well, let's give it the highest priority. Also, the customer requested that we add 2 drawers. Let's add the necessary components to the order on the fly. As easy as that. Managing our inventory with barcodes is better than ever. We get precise information about each operation, and adjusting quantities is quite simple with these convenient buttons. See how preparing this batch picking for 2 different packages was a walk in the park? While making a quotation for a customer, it is quite useful to check the stock availability and the forecasted stock. This forecast relies on accurate data. On any purchase order, we can check the reliability of the vendor based on previous orders, but also mail them automatically before the planned delivery date. In this email, the vendor is prompted to confirm or update the order's delivery date. Well, all this made me hungry. With the product configurator integrated into the point of sale, it is easy to select variants. Also, it is now possible to add a tip after having authorized the payment. Odoo. Intuitive design is what you get, for ease of use is what you deserve.